This is the inauguration of the President's Perspective, a chance for me to bring to the campus messages about progress that we're making and the changes that are occurring on a regular basis here. I want to talk about the start of school, which has been very positive, and some of the exciting things that have happened most recently. As many of you know, we have a new bike-friendly campus. We will soon be creating lanes on our roads for bicycles, and that's a step in completing the whole project. Last night I was in the office a little late and walked out and saw a number of our students coming back from a trip to Cumberland Gap. They're enjoying access to bicycles, and let me remind everyone that we need to be friendly as we see bicycles on the campus and on our roads. Be sensitive to their presence, and let's make it a safe environment for everyone involved. The second thing I want to mention is the reality that we have started a recycling program, and you should see recycling bins on campus for plastics. This is the first step in bringing a complete program for recycling paper and other products in addition to the plastics that are currently being received. We're working in conjunction with Goodwill in this effort, and they're a great partner, and we are excited about the opportunities that are created with our new recycling program. And then I want to say to all those folks who have just moved into their new facilities in the residence halls, thanks for being patient. We appreciate the way you worked with us to allow the final completion of the project. We wanted those facilities to be safe, and we were able to take the time to do what was necessary to ensure not only the students' safety, but a healthy environment for them to live and study. A couple of things are real about those new facilities. They are delightful, they are spacious, and certainly we want to keep them as pristine as they are now. So help us maintain the interior of the facilities and the grounds around them as we continue to enjoy an expansion of residence halls on this campus. One of the things we know about residence facilities is that they become home for our students, and we want them to be as comfortable and as usable as possible. We plan to add to our new residence facilities some study space that will be very important and allow students to gather in groups for the purpose of study. We are also excited about the new Math and Science building, which opened this fall. It's a grand facility, 140,000 square feet of classroom, laboratory, office, and technology space. We will dedicate that building during homecoming. The ceremony will be on October the 12th at 3 p.m. Everyone is welcome. Our keynote speaker will be Governor Haslam, and he will be able to see firsthand the tremendous difference that's being made on this campus for citizens of this region. We hope you'll be a part of that ceremony. And now let me conclude by saying that the way we have started the year has been very positive, and we hope it carries through for the remainder of the semester. For students, if you have special needs, we want to hear about them. From faculty and staff, if you have things that could make you more effective, tell us about them. And for our entire academic community, let me say thank you for helping make the start of this academic year so successful.